Hello and welcome to video 6. In this video we're going to cover, this is going to be part 1 of a 2-step tutorial on editing the fan page template that we've included in this package for you. Now there is going to be some software that you're going to need before we get started. The first one is Notepad++. This is a free software that will allow you to edit HTML files, CSS files, basically any coding language. They'll allow you to edit the files. So I'm going to provide this link in the resources for you to have, and so you're just going to come here and you can download the current version, download all versions, whatever you want to do. I would suggest just to download the current version and get that installed. FileZilla is the next one. It's a free FTP solution. Now what does FTP mean? That is File Transfer Protocol. And it's, in layman's terms, it basically allows you to take files from your desktop and move them to your server. Now, with most fan page templates, you will have to host some files, images, maybe even a CSS file, things like that. Now, you could go the free route of, PhotoBucket and things like that, but there is more likely a chance that your images, if they're not all stamped with your branding, could get shared and used for other purposes. Not to say that that won't happen with them being on your server. There's just a less chance. So it's up to you, but I almost always host it on my own servers. If you aren't familiar with domains and hosting and all that, you can pick up a domain for about $10 a year, and you can pick up hosting for about $5 a month. There's plenty of training out available on the internet on how to do both of those, so I'll leave it to them to describe that to you in more detail if that's what you're looking for. But FileZilla is probably the best free resource for FTP solution, which again takes files from your desktop, puts them on your server. So you're going to want to download whichever one that you want to utilize. And once you got both of those installed, we can go ahead and get started. So let's look over what you're actually going to have in the folder. You're going to have a few different files. Don't let it confuse you or overwhelm you. This README first might not even be there. You will have an instructions file, which let's just look over that. Even though I'm giving you these detailed video tutorials, this is the layman's terms or the written version of what I'm telling you here, to just make it super easy if you don't want to listen to my voice anymore, as well as the fan page code text file. This is the same thing that you're going to see in the index file that you see here. The only difference is that this is set up to be edited following this instructions file. What I mean by that is that I've taken out every instance of the word images and I've put in edit-me in bold. Reason why is because when you come up here and go to edit, replace, find what, you type in edit me, replace with, file path. That's all explained in this text file. I'll leave it to that to explain it in better detail. But that's why. So there's technically two versions of the fan page code. Index.html, which you'll see I naturally have the Firefox icon, and that's my main browser. And then the fan page code, which is just a text file. Okay, next you'll see we have a styles folder and an images folder. Both of those we'll get into further detail in the next video. I just wanted to give you a quick introduction of what is in this folder that you're going to receive. And so in the next video, stay tuned because we're going to start editing the template and show you how to upload it, change images, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for the next video.